So today, we are going to create an AI crypto signals app using Python and Flask. So without any wait, let's start the video. We import Flask for the web app, requests for API calls, beautiful soup for scraping, NumPy for data handling, and linear regression for simple ML predictions. This initializes the Flask application, so we can define routes and run the server. This defines proxy settings to route requests through a proxy server, helping bypass restrictions or avoid rate limits. Now, quick mention. For this project, I'm using IP-cook proxies. If you're doing scraping or automation, you'll quickly run into blocks or rate limits, and that's where IP-cook proxies comes in and become essential. You can go to ipcook.com, do sign up or log in, and once you're on the dashboard, click on Residential Proxies. Choose a plan. I'm using the basic one. Select your payment method. I'm using balance since I have free credits. After that, create a sub-account. Set username and password and click Save. Now choose how many proxies you want. Click Generate. And just like that, your proxies are ready to use in your code. I have placed the all relevant links in description of the video. You can check it out. Now let's continue. This function prepares a safe HTTP request with headers, so the request looks like it's coming from a real browser. First, we try sending the request using proxies. If it works, we return the response. If it fails, we silently ignore the error. If proxy fails, we retry without it. If both attempts fail, we return none to avoid breaking the program. This function fetches the last 20 price candles from Binance Futures for the given coin symbol. If data is received, we extract closing prices. If anything goes wrong, we return an empty list to keep things safe. This function fetches the current price of the given coin from Binance. If the request succeeds, we extract and return the price. Otherwise, we return 0 as a fallback. This function predicts price movement using ML. If there's not enough data, we skip prediction. We convert price history into numerical data and train a linear regression model on it. We predict the next price and return the difference from the current price to estimate direction. This function analyzes sentiment from text data like news or Reddit posts. We loop through each text and increase score for positive words or decrease it for negative words. This function scrapes crypto-related news headlines from Google News. If data is available, we pass the HTML and prepare a list to store headlines. We extract headlines from article tags, filter meaningful ones, and limit to 10 results. Finally, we return the collected news headlines. This function fetches Reddit posts related to the coin using Reddit's public API. We extract post titles from the Jusso response. If anything fails, we return an empty list. This is the core AI engine. It starts by converting the coin symbol to uppercase. We gather price history, current price, and ML prediction for the coin. We convert ML prediction into a score based on percentage change, indicating upward or downward movement. We fetch external data sources, news headlines, and Reddit discussions. We analyze sentiment from both sources and combine all scores to get an overall signal strength. Based on the total score, we decide whether the signal is long, short, or hold. We return all computed values as a structured Jusso response. This route loads the homepage of the application. This route handles requests for trading signals. It reads the coin parameter from the URL. We generate the trading signal and return it as Jusso. This starts the Flask server in debug mode for development. Now let's open your index.html and start designing our user interface. This defines the HTML document and sets the language to English so the browser can render it properly. Inside the head, we set the page title and include Tailwind CSS for fast and modern styling. The body uses a gradient background and flexbox to center the UI on the screen. This is the main container styled like a glass morphism card with blur, transparency, and rounded edges. This is the heading of the app, centered and styled to stand out. This section allows the user to select a coin. The drop-down provides multiple crypto options. This creates a grid layout to display different data points like price, ML score, and sentiment. This block displays the current price of the selected coin. This block shows the machine learning prediction score. This block shows sentiment score based on news headlines. This block displays sentiment score from Reddit discussions. This closes the data grid section. This large box shows the final trading signal, long, short, or hold. This text shows the current system status like ready or analyzing. This button triggers the signal generation when clicked. This closes the main container. This function starts by getting the selected coin from the dropdown. We update the UI to show that the system is processing the request. We send a request to the backend and wait for the response containing the signal data. We update each UI field with data from the backend. If something is missing, we show not applicable. Once data is loaded, we update the status to indicate completion. We display the final trading signal inside the main signal box. Here we dynamically change the color of the signal box based on the result: green for long, red for short, and yellow for hold. This closes the JavaScript function and script block. This closes the body and completes the HTML document. Now open your terminal and run it. Now select a coin and click on Generate Signal, and here you go.